And welcome to this video tutorial on what is secular humanism. So our goal for today is to identify who and what secular humanism is as a worldview around our big questions. Now, the humanist outlook today is based primarily on the modern sciences and has developed rapidly in our modern world. So humanism is the dominant theme of our modern intellectual world because it provides a perspective on man and nature that is derived from natural, biological, and behavioral sciences. It's a picture of the universe at least 15 billion years old, which human life has evolved by natural pressures, and science constantly adds to our understanding of nature. And this is more important as our understanding and our knowledge grows, because as that does, it starts to bring into question some of the religious beliefs and understandings that we have. So a second feature to think about is that humanism is a method of inquiry, which might even note that it's its first principle, a commitment to use critical intelligence and rational inquiry in understanding the world and solving problems. So humanists recognize that they are not incapable of making mistakes, and that human knowledge is often really difficult to discover, and that truth is found by giving and taking opposing points of view. So it really focuses on using that rational mind, questioning evidence, and part of that comes from science. So humanism also expresses a really strong ethical philosophy. So the humanist insists that life can have meaning without this conception of a supernatural being or a creator. The humanist meaning for the theory of life is a real alternative to the biblical view. So, for instance, life and the opportunities that we take are opportunities to enjoy, discover, and create. So a really great challenge for the humanist is to lead a good life on their own terms and to take their destiny into their own hands. So humanists also have particular values, and these are the rights of the individual to have their own mind, to develop their conscience, to live their life without interference from others, and to have creative growth and development. And finally, humanists have confidence in human beings, and they believe that they are the only basis for morality in terms of what is right and what is wrong. Humanists are opposed to all forms of supernatural conceptions of God and authoritarian religion. Humanism is about the human being, and at its core is concerned with a really good life and social justice as moral ideas. So it's not that they need a belief in God or an understanding of God to inform them what they should do. They should use their rational mind and the morals that they've had created in them to determine what is the right action. So in our video tutorial today, I've introduced you to the concept of secular humanism being defined by the growth in technology and sciences. Second, the idea of using that inquisitive mind to question and to dig deeper into particular answers. And then finally, their ability to create their own meaning in life due to the actions that they take and also constructing that through their life.